So this is column addition without any carrying. So we've started off with the question, which is 463 add 235. And so we're going to begin by laying it out, making sure that we have the hundreds and the tens and the ones aligned correctly. You can possibly do it by writing hundreds, tens and ones to check their alignment. And then we're going to start off with 463 and then 235. It is really important that you include the addition sign, as this can be laid out in a similar way for other methods of calculation. So we're just going to make it clear that the answer is going to go here. And then you always start your column addition from the ones. So 3 add 5 is 8. Now, these numbers are actually representing 60 and 30 because they're in the tens column, but that can be a little bit confusing when doing your addition. So sometimes it's easier to just see it as 6 add 3. So 6 add 3 is 9, when really it's 60 add 30 is 90. And then over to the hundreds column. So the 4 is really representing 400 and the 2 is really representing 200. But to make things easier with your addition, you can see them as a 4 and a 2. So 4 add 2 is 6, and that's really 400 add 200 is 600. So the answer to 463 add 235 is 698.